A particle explodes into two fragments while initially at rest. If one fragment has twice the mass of the other, determine the ratio of their speeds immediately after the explosion. Alright, so since before the explosion, they were initially at rest. So we can say momentum initial is 0 because there was no motion. So momentum final was the sum of the two momentums, that is P1 final plus P2 final. So according to the conservation of momentum, we know that the summation of initial momentum is equals to the summation of momentum final. So initial momentum is 0. Final momentum is momentum 1 prime plus momentum 2 prime. Prime just represent final momentum. Now momentum is mass times velocity. So in this case I'll say m1 times v1 plus m2 times v2. Now let's break down what has been mentioned here. It says if one fragment is twice the mass of the other. So let's just say m1 is smaller, hence we'll just call it m. While m2 is twice the mass, so we'll use 2m, like that. So let me replace it with this information that we have here based on the question. So this means that 0 is equals to, where there's m1, I'll just replace it with m v1 plus, where there's m2, I'll replace it with 2m v2, like that. So if I make a rearrangement, this will look something like this. Negative m v1 is equals to positive 2m v2. I divide both sides by m. This means that negative v1 is equals to 2v2, like that. So now remember, we want the ratio of the small velocity to the ratio of the large velocity. So in this case, to find the ratio, we're just going to take the magnitude of the coefficients for both. So this is 1, the coefficient on this side. This side we have a 2. The velocities we have for v1 here. This side we have v2. So the idea is, since we just want the ratios, we can clearly see that velocity 1 is twice as much as velocity 2. So the ratio in this case is 1 to 2. Now understand that the 2 is for the small fragment, while the 1 is for the large fragment. Because of we're saying that we need 2 of these to create this. So that's why we have that. So this is V for the large one. This is V for the small one. So there you have it. This here is our ratio.